We are working in Hollywood. I'm joking, guys. But anyway, guys, welcome again, guys. Today, guys, we're checking Franschhoek and walking around the stores and checking how it is around here and also getting that beautiful view. You know, we need a picture perfect place to take pictures. So sit down, watch us as we walk through Franschhoek's main street and explore the surroundings, guys. And also, hope you're gonna enjoy this video, guys. Please remember, click the like button, click the subscribe button if you need videos like these. Other than that, guys, let's get this video started.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo guys, look at how beautiful it is here. And also everyone's taking Instagram pictures and what in front of this beautiful church, which is actually advanced church. Well, I see a satellite there. And also Shallow is, you can let him free a bit until he gets too close to a road, I guess. Excuse me. Oh gosh, my bad. Anyway, look at the view, guys. The view is nice here. Hey, I was having a bit of beer, so I had to burp a bit because you know, after having so many wines, beer was required. And also, look at this view. You want this view a bit, baby? Baby, did you look at this view also? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Oh, you want that view? Okay, one Instagram. They want Instagram view, guys. I mean, I like all the views. We parked here, so we want to come back and get our bus here, just to remember. And so Shadow is ripped off his cakes in a very ugly way, and he's carrying his cakes and doesn't want anyone to touch his cakes. So yeah, good luck with that. And also he's playing with flowers and stuff. And yeah, beautiful garden, guys, of the church and stuff. And yeah, it is a beautiful, wonderful place. We have, let me just check the time, guys. We have, gosh, I can't see anything. Anyway, we have almost 45 minutes. Yeah, well, and also my beer was here. It's finished now. So yeah. So let's go. Okay guys, yeah, this is the garden and somebody is taking pictures. I can't carry anything. I can't take pictures. I can't do anything. They want me to do pictures. I can't do pictures. I'm done with camera and stuff. Go sit with your mom. I mean, I'll be watching here. The beautiful garden, guys. Anyway guys, yeah, these are the people who want pictures non-stop. Let's take them some pictures a bit, you know, close-ups and stuff. Anyway, let's do a proper picture, guys. I'll be back with you later. Okay, guys, we're exploring. We're explorers now, proper explorers. We have an empty cup. We need to fill it up with something. So let's explore the town. I wanted to cross here, but I don't think we can cross. There's too many cars here. Yeah, and also tuk-tuks here. I just noticed now. Yeah, I don't know if there's a way to cross here. But anyway, we might have to cross like immediately. So let me just, yeah, Yeah, this is lunchtime rush hour. Mabop. Okay, come. Yeah, tuk-tuk. This is a tuk-tuk. I bought from Thailand, like this. Same as from Thailand. It has speakers and stuff. And also a market here, guys, where it looks nice. Market. Yeah. We are explorers, guys. We are exploring. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, and also I forgot to go to it one, but anyway, we can go later there. We just wanted to sit down somewhere, take a break. And also there are a lot of garages around here, I guess. Hello, how's it? Oh, good. Are these plants?
Yes, they are.
Oh, okay. Well, they look nice. I like the faces, by the way. Let's go check this one inside. Well, let's go inside. There's something I noticed. Hey. Hello, guys. How's it? I just wanted a swimming costume. How much is that one?
Which one?
A swimming costume.
Let me just check for you.
Yeah. Cool. Hey, by the way, your place looks nice. It feels posh, very much posh.
We have a restaurant and a bar.
And the bar. Are the kids allowed? Was we were a kid here? Okay, cool. We might check it out then.
990.
990. Shaibo, can you charge us local prices? Yo.
It's local, man.
Yeah, that's not a yo. Hey. Yeah, I don't even own Louis.
It's a brand called Beach House.
Which cards? Oh, okay, I don't really have a clue what it is. Who owns it? What owns it?
His name is Alex. He's a German guy.
Okay, is that a good view upstairs or what?
It's a beautiful view.
At least you'll go. Let's go check upstairs, maybe.
Can I offer you a glass of wine?
Okay. Thank you so much.
And then you can walk around with it.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried. I don't want to overspend, you know. Means of budget is with me today. So we make sure we don't
There you go,
overspend.
ladies first.
Yeah.
There you go. Enjoy.
Wow. You sell that wine, by the way.
We do salad here upstairs.
Okay, let's taste it first. Let's see.
You can walk
Smells
around
nice.
and
Oh, cheers.
there we go.
Guys, the search continues. Want to take a good picture here. Oh, we find it. Wow, okay. That's it. I found it, guys. Found it. It's a perfect view for this wine. Okay. Welcome to, I don't know what the name of the place is, but yeah, it's wonderful. And someone is putting my cup next to the wine. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like my. Anyway, guys, look at you guys. The mountains are crazy. The camera. Whoa, wow, guys. Okay, right, guys. Let's try this with 4K, guys. Guys, look at the mountain, and look at this guy here watching the mountain, guys. Yeah. Wow, guys. This is superb. Super cool. Oh wow. Yo guys, we're having a lamulaga here, and this place is actually nice, guys. The view, I forgot the name of this place, but it has a good view, and also they have this wine, and it tastes. I think Mrs. enjoys it more than me, but anyway, yeah, it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful here. And yeah, there's a market in front of us there. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's a market there. I forgot the market it's called, but yeah, there's a market there, and also there is some sort of Hollywood sign at the top there. I'm trying to zoom in there. There it is. There it is. I got it. Franschhoek. See there. Oh, my fingers big. But there. That says Franschhoek, guys. That's a Hollywood sign of Franschhoek. And also, if you pan to the other side here, there is a huge building there. It looks nice. Also, you see there in the mountains, guys. Guys, don't worry. We're zooming in here. We're zooming in. We'll get there, and my big finger is going to be there, but there's a building there, it looks nice. In real life, other than that, this is a beautiful view. This is what you can see, guys, when you're chilling here. I forgot the name of this restaurant. Anyway, guys, we're at Franschhoek. Franschhoek is the tram thing, which is famous. But other than that, guys, I think the Stellenbosch tour from the sightseeing is worth more than the other one in terms of alcohol levels and drinking levels and views levels and enjoying the scenery and stuff. Yeah, because right now we have free time to just roam around and relax. Not the rush. Yo, the tram one is rush, non-stop rush, wait, rush. Yo, anyway, guys, I'm talking about the camera here because I want you to look at this view while I'm saying all this rubbish, you know. But anyway, guys, today we didn't plan to come here. It was out of our hands. We were supposed to go to Cape Point and look at the Cape Point stuff and penguins and stuff. And anyway, yeah, and some other people they're going to a bus now. The red lady is there. They're going to a bus by the look of things. Those are from Kenya. And I think I can't remember all of them. I know them because the red is very obvious. There's a guy who follows them. Other ones are from Austria, other ones are from Canada. How many people are mixed up here? Other ones are from Jews, other ones from Devon, you know. It's a mix up variety that we're traveling with. And nice people, guys. Nice people. We're chilling, guys. We're all happy. Yeah. What time is it? Oh shit, this bro.